Right. I am trying to figure out Jack's instructions for just creating a static theme. So I don't have a ton of time, but I'm going to try to do it just in the last little bit of the day here before I have to head home. So let's see what's going on. If you're here right now, just let me know. And I'm pretty much set up. I've been reading a bunch of stuff that I think will help make this a little bit faster. And yeah, these are usually available after I it's because it's 4 o'clock Pacific time, Adam. You got to move to a better time zone, man. But hello, Pierce. Yeah, these broadcasts are available later on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Justin Jackson. Just look under dumb programming questions, and you will see it there. All right, so let me close this window here. And this is all the stuff I've been reading. Actually, Statamic has some pretty good docs on how to create a theme. Yo, what's up? And this is what I have from last time, right? This is the stuff we did last time. And so basically it says, let's see, a layout is the markup foundation of your theme. When you create a site, there are usually chunks of HTML that are always present, like a nosy neighbor. Stuff like doc type, head, body, styles, and scripts. By default, your default Statamic will look for a layout called default. So that's this right here. Let's hide the. How come my sidebar won't hide? Oh, there we go. Actually, let's bring this over. So one thing is I like to keep the chat on screen, but 12 a.m. in Ireland. Just stay up, man. Anyway, so this is the default page, but I've got a bunch of nav stuff in here that I want to take out. So I think what I'm going to do is create a partial. So some other systems force you to create a header partial or a footer partial and then make you manually include them in every page. Layouts work similarly in concept, but rather in reverse. Okay. So now you put the template content tag anywhere in your layout, and Statamic will replace it with your template injected full of your current page's data. Okay, so this is what this might look like. I think that's what we have right now, right? Let's go down here. Let's actually... Okay, so template content, we've got that. Aside from the complete output of your template using template content, it's also possible to inject, yield, or additional sections in your template layout. Okay. Okay. I think I understand this. Templates sit between layouts and page content. Layout is the outer shell of your website that doesn't change page to page. Templates are the inner shell that tells Statamic how to render. Yeah. All right, so let's see how Jack built this last time. So let's see here. What's up, Miguel? So here's what it looks like on justinjackson.ca, right? So we've got default layout, which is here, and it looks like he has a partial for the stuff up here between the head tags, and then he's got a header class, template contents here, and then he's got a footer class here, and a partial for nav, right? So then if we look down here, here's the partial. So this is head. This is all that kind of metadata you'd put between the head tags. This is nav. And so I think I'll just start by creating those two partials. Seems reasonable, right? All right, so now I need to see over here again. So I'm going to create a partial called head.html, and I'm going to grab all this stuff here. Throw it in there. Then I'm going to go back to default, and in default I want to add this tag here that just says partial head. Actually, it'd be interesting to know if this actually even, does this load? This is, let's try it, transtat test. Oh wait, I think I need to run some of that crazy stuff we did last time, right? So over here, let's do this and see if it works. Oh, I just blocked you accidentally, Miguel. How many times have I done that? This UI, they've got to fix that. All right, does this work now? How come it's not loading any of that Tailwind stuff? Something got messed up. It's like it's not rendering it properly. One sec. Hello? Hey. Okay. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, so for some reason it's not loading that partial. I don't know why. There's one folder you should just set up. How come it's not working? Maybe it needs to be underscore. And see what. Yeah, how come that partial's not? Is there something else I need to do to register a partial? Got default here. Just looking at what Jack has, but I can't figure out what's different. Let's just Google how to register a partial Statamic. Partial header. This is exactly what we're doing. Tag would output the contents of site theme partials header.html. Yeah, but I don't think that. Something else is weird. It's in the theme folder. This is my theme. Yes. Layouts. If we look at it, what am I looking for here? Yeah, I had it. I didn't have an underscore before. I wonder if I need to like recompile something or. Okay. Yeah, something broke. Okay, I'm gonna rename it again just so we're back. I wonder if you just can't call. Let's just see what happens when I take this out. I wonder if you can't call a partial within a partial or something. If I save this and I refresh. Oh yeah, see, it works then. I can't call that other thing from within there. So it's almost like I just need to keep that link there in default. Look at me solving my own problems. There we go. Wow. That was a bunch of bullshit for not much. Not much. All right, so that's good. I mean, really all I want is the metadata anyway, so that makes sense. Actually, weird that, I don't know, for some reason, putting in that extra stuff. Yeah, that's a good question. Let's see. Let's bring it over here. So let's go to partials, head. He just links, he's not generating anything. It looks like he just links to site.css. So, who knows, man? All right. I think I want to create a nav because a lot of this stuff is I got a bunch of nav stuff in here. So let's see what Jack did. So he just has a class called, a div with all that stuff in there. And I've got this here. I'm wondering if I should just grab everything in nav. If that will clean things up. So this would be, I guess, just partial nav, right? Let's see if this works. If everything works, it should stay the same. Perfect. All right. All right, so we're getting somewhere here. What else? Oh, actually, Adam, you know what? He has a separate thing for scripts. I wonder if I need to put that Tailwind stuff. Look at that. That's awesome. Yeah, I wonder if I need to just create a separate partial for scripts, and then it'll work better. All right, let's see what else we've got here. We've got these right here. Oh, sweet. Yeah, Drew, I've really liked it. It's been good for me. By the way, Adam, the other day someone made fun of my headset microphone and said I should get a better setup. But my podcasting microphone's in another room, and this is kind of like where I like to do live videos, so guess I gotta get a good mic in here too. Okay, I definitely want to create what is this now? This is a template called articles. Not a partial, a template. Okay, so let's try this. Let's go back here. And we're going to create a template called article.html. And I think I'm just going to copy what he has for now. And then I'll also put, I think, another page called blog, which will be a list of all of the articles. I'm just copying and pasting this from Jack's stuff. Some of this is like, I'm going to remove this because this is just for my specific theme. I can show you what it looks like. So on my site, if you go to justinjackson.ca/articles, you see a list of articles, and then if you click through, you get the actual post. And so I think that's what I've just created there. Actually, it would be interesting. What happens when I go here? That does not exist. I've still got to figure out how all of this ends up getting put together. Let's go back to his theming thing. Example template. Okay, you got home, templates. Oh, interesting. In this example, he has blog index. Okay. Don't need this. So I wonder if I can log into this page, this thing I created. Where is it? Let's go to the dashboard. Hopefully this is right. Oh. I can't log into my own thing. What did I? Oh, nice. How'd you get a Mega Maker shirt, Miguel? Did I send you one? Or are you talking about mine? Okay. How is Jack putting all of this together? I don't get it. Oh, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, so yeah, I can't, why can't I log in here? Forgot password. Do you think this will actually work? Let's see. Where can I see all the logs here? I think so. I set one up when I set it up initially. Where is it? Where am I right now? How does this work again? Statamic users local. Creating your first user. Your first user is normally created during installation, but you can also create one by hand. Okay, it's all in site users. Let me just see if I can find it here. Site and users. Oh. Doesn't look like there is one. Why not? Okay, so I wonder if I can create one manually. And I'm going to create a password. All right, let's see if this works now. You think I'm wrong? Why am I wrong? That worked. How come I was wrong? Wrong about what? I should write some content in here and see what happens. How do I... Let's view this here. Oh yeah, see, now I'm showing text right here. So now I got to figure out, how did he register articles? Like when I go to my site, he has articles listed here. How did he do that? How to create blog Statamic. Some of these are pretty old. An articles collection. So where would I do that? Flat file. Oh, this looks too old. Creating collection Statamic. Oh, here we go. Collections are simple. All right. Site content collections. Okay. Let's go back here. Site content collections. All right. And let's see how Jack did it on my site. Oh yeah. Okay. Holy crap, I got a lot of articles in here. So, looks like he just created a collection called articles. So I'm going to create a collection called blog. Let's see if this works. New folder, blog, and then what do I need to do next? I need to create some sort of YAML file here. Oh, don't want to show my hashed password. All right. This right here. Just field set template. Okay, so let's try creating this. folder YAML, and then I think that's right because I'm calling it article. All right, let's. Thanks, man. Okay, so let's go back here, refresh, see what happens. Blog. That looks good. Wow, okay. Test. Test. Save. Uh-oh. More detail can be found in your logs. Okay, something went wrong. Can I see the log somewhere here? Settings. See what happens here. Enable debugging mode, site debug, logging. Local storage logs Statamic. Okay. Storage logs. Let's see what's going on here. Error. File not found. Article. I think I messed it up or something. Folder YAML template. Maybe I need to call it a post. Template post, maybe? See if that works. Test. Let's see. Maybe I'm missing something else here. Templates. So I have a collection called this is blog. Build your own Statamic. blog. Yeah, it's really good. I've been loving it for my site. Wish I could figure out what I'm doing wrong here, though. Feels like I'm missing something. And these are really old. I don't think this is even... I wonder, actually, maybe because I'm not... Let's look at some of these things again. Okay, so let's close this. And let's go back here. Parcel source. Maybe let's just rename this to post and see what happens. Yeah, I've already done that. I've got blog here. Oh, here we go. I'll bet you this is it. Post content. Collection is blog. That's what I want. It's because I'm copy pasted that other stuff. Okay. There we go. That's correct. And now I think I need to call this post. Okay, let's see what happens now. Let's go back here, leave. All right. Test. Save. Shoot. I thought that was going to be it for sure. Field sets. What do I have over here for field sets? Oh, I've got one called article. This might be my problem. Let's create a field set called post. Okay. Title. All right. And then down here, got a bunch of other stuff. So I want to add a field called title. Let's see what that is. Title. All right. It's good. And then I need a new one called, I think this is where I have to decide if I'm going to use the Bard text editor or different one. Content. This is post content. See if I'm missing anything else here. Content. No, I think that's it. All right. Maybe that'll work, right? Because now I've got title and post content. Let's go here. We've got title. And then here, oh, I need post content here, here. All right, this might work. Let's try it again. Title, save. Man, I am just getting stuck here all over the place. All right, well, I gotta get home, so I'm gonna leave it here. I'm sure I'll figure it out. I'll send this to Jack and see what he says. But we're kind of moving along here, right? We're getting a little bit closer each time. Still haven't figured out how to make this work too. Gotta figure that out. I thought it would work, but we will get there. But definitely check it out if you haven't checked it already. If you're using an existing theme, all of this is way easier. Jack just set mine all up, so I didn't have to do this manually before. Oh, I wonder if it's this, manage collections. Let's try one more time here. This is under content, blog. Okay, there's one called blog here that I got from somewhere. Field set. Oh, maybe that's what I need to do. And then I need to add a locale, which will be slug. Wonder if that'll do it. Oh, look, we're already getting something. Now I've got the Bard editor here. Oh, I think I got it to work. There we go. Sweet. Still don't have that page working, but I've got actual blog posts working. Okay, this is a big deal. It's a big deal. All right, folks. Well, I don't know if we should test our luck and do anything else in here, because I'm kind of scared to try anything else now. Save and continue. That's what I want. And I don't know how come it's not letting me insert images here. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But we are definitely getting blog posts on the site, so that's a big win. Let me actually grab something from Transistor just to see what happens. Let's do this one here. Okay, so go back here. Okay. I think I need to add some metadata for publish date. But let's see what happens when I know you don't want to copy paste, but no. It's not letting me. Okay, so it looks like I still need to build image support in somehow. But look at that, I'm getting something in here, but nothing's formatted. Like block quotes and all that stuff. Sweet, okay, I gotta figure this out, but that is really encouraging that I got at least some of that working. And at least in Bard, it looks correct, right? If I exit, go back in, it's there. I've just got to get it to render properly somehow. So I might fiddle around with this. Is there anything else I'm missing? Okay, I got assets, content, globals. Rotation rules, visibility. Yeah, I don't know why that's not working, but look, that this got created. It's pretty rad how that actually that's working now somehow. But yeah, I need to figure out how did he get the date on here? Somehow has oh, you can also edit the slug. I should add that. So it's like field sets, leave. Okay, so we'll go here. So I've got title. Gonna add a new one, right? No, I don't want that. I want a new field. What is this? This is text. He just calls it slug. I think that's what I called it in back end. There's no validation rules. Always show. Make it 33%. Close. I'm gonna make this one. Cool, you can kind of build a little UI here. 66. And then I bet you I can move this sucker up here. Cool. Yeah, I just got to figure out how the heck I don't know where that published stuff is. Oh, that's right here. Okay. So if I change this, will that break everything? If I say April 9th, 2019. Can I figure that out? April. All right. Well, that seems like enough for today. I'm going to take this up again tomorrow. Thanks, Drew. Thanks, Matt. Talk to you later. My site's been on it, I think, for 8 months. I can't remember when we launched it. It's a good question. We launched it I have a new website. When's this? This was on October 26, 2018. That's how long I've had it. All right, see you later.